In this video, I'm going to be showing a comparison between the GoPro Hero HD Session 5 and the 9 Black. Let's see how they do. Driving up a fire road with some small bumps. It's a little bit smoky, so it does affect the colors a little bit, but nothing is color graded. It's straight from the camera. During these first few clips as well, all the cameras are set to 1080p, 30 FPS. Session 9 and Black have ProTune on and the highest image stabilization each camera can do. Comment below which one you think looks the best raw. The HD looks pretty good for its age. The 9 Black's doing something odd. Playing the video back looks like it's dropping frames or jumping around as it tries to stabilize the video, or maybe a little bit too sharp. And the Session 5 looks pretty good. How the microphones are doing. Stop to let's see if that helps. Later in the video, I swapped the mount on the HD and the 9 Black. The mount the HD was on was very bouncy, which you can still see in the 9 Black as it jostles around. Now recording at the top settings. GoPro 9, 5K, 30 frames. Session 5, 4K, 30 frames, no image stabilization. ProTune on, medium sharpness, 5500. K. White balance. GoPro HD, same thing, 30 high settings, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Later on, I'll do another comparison either on motorcycle or mountain biking, try some different environments when it's not so smoky outside, and possibly do some underwater filming as well.